This 2025 Keystone Bullet 310 Res is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 36 feet 0 inches in length and features sleep 6, oven, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, awning, skylight, TV, refrigerator, LP detector, water heater, microwave, and 54 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Keystone Bullet 310 Res is 8,220 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.